Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how we can block a device using the MAC address of the device, or how we can allow a specific device using the MAC address, and also what are the precautions need to take while allowing or blocking a device using the MAC address. So let's start. For making any kind of changes to the Wi-Fi router setting, we need to open the setting page of the Wi-Fi router by entering 192.168.0.1 or 1.1 IP address into the browser, and once you hit enter you will get this login screen where you need to enter the user ID and password. So by default the user ID and password is admin and admin password. So once you log in the left hand side you can see a lot of options, from where in the DHCP option in the clients list you can see the list of devices connected to your Wi-Fi router device. So now I will show you the blocking of a MAC address. So for that I am selecting one MAC address which is for OnePlus 5T device. So I am just copying this MAC address, and in the wireless option you need to go, and in the wireless MAC filtering, and here you need to add that device MAC address and some description you can give, like I'm giving mobile, and the status should be enabled, and just save this change so that device detail is appearing here now. So now I'm going to click on enable button. Currently it is disabled. So now the option is enabled and it is saying filtering rule as deny. So this is going to deny this device. So here just make sure you are not entering the MAC address of your laptop or PC using which you are performing all these settings, because if you deny internet to your PC only, again you will not be able to connect with this setting page without resetting the Wi-Fi router. And once you reset the Wi-Fi router you need to connect the Wi-Fi router using the cable, and then you need to do all the setup. So this is very important that you do not deny internet to your own PC using which you are doing all these settings. So this is about denying a MAC address. You can add any number of device by just clicking on this add new button. So now we will see how to allow any specific device or a number of specific device. So for that, first thing we need to do as a precaution, just disable this again. So now the wireless MAC filtering is disabled here. So here when you are going to allow internet access to some specific device, then in that case first you need to add your PC or laptop MAC address here using which you are doing all this Wi-Fi settings. Otherwise if you don't keep your MAC address here, that your internet will be allowed for the other devices which is mentioned here, and it will not be allowed for yourself only. And for reverting the changes, the option you will have is just reset your router and connect the router using the data cable to your PC or laptop, and then again perform all the setups. So just make sure your own system MAC address is present here. So for that I'm going to the clients list, and this is my system. So I'm just copying this MAC address and I'm going to add the MAC address in this place, and I'm giving the name like system admin here, and I'm saving this. So now I have saved here my system MAC address, which is mandatory to save here when you are allowing, and this is one mobile which I'm going to allow. So now I'm going to select this allow option, so this change will also save. And now I'm going to enable these changes. So now you can see the wireless MAC filtering is enabled and it is allowing only these two devices. Out of this one is the admin device using which I am doing all the settings. So if this device is not here, then only this device will be allowed and I will not be able to do any changes. Like from this device, mostly I will not be able to access this IP because the router is because initially the router is connected to this device and all the setup was done with this device. So this is the admin device here. This MAC address must be listed here when you are allowing some device. And for adding more devices, just you can add by clicking this add new button, and you can add any number of devices which you want to allow. So in this case, now if I check, only those two devices will be allowed. So now you can see my PC is connected to the Wi-Fi and the mobile device. So these two MAC address only I have allowed on my network, and those two are only connected, so any other device will not be able to connect to the system. So that's it in this video. If you have any question, please mention in the comment, and please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.